I ain't talking about no broke business. I got money now. All I really understand is since that check came in, everybody talking like I'm really acting funny now.
Yo, it's your boy Quick, and I'm back with another video. But before I say anything else, please go like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. Y'all see the title, man? Your boy missed out on 6 bands.
I am never gonna financially recover from this.
So let me tell you a little bit about how I fumbled this massive bag last year. Because I made not one, not two, but three crucial mistakes with my portfolio last year. Number one, trying to time the market. I think I have 6 or 7 videos up. I've said this in every single one. And I even tried to tell other people this. You cannot time the market. Why did I think that I could? Bro, I don't know. But that's major mistake number one. You cannot time the market. Mistake number 2, emotions. I let my emotions get to me, like with seeing stuff in the market or in the news saying, "Oh, this market is gonna go lower. This and that." Virus numbers are going up, and I was just like, you know what? I need to sell out of some stuff. I need to try to preserve as much capital as possible. I lost a little bit in the beginning. I don't want to lose anymore. And I got out and got back in certain positions, and I was pretty much sitting at 52-week lows. So there's really no reason for me to get out of something when it's already at its lowest point it's been in a whole year. It's not going to drop much lower than that. So I just gave up a lot of capital gains there for sure. Just trading off emotions. Mistake number 3, trading off the wrong news. Any headline, any tabloid, any whatever, I was looking at it. Shouldn't have been doing that, but I was. And that definitely played into my emotions of things and definitely put some fear into what I believe that I had in my portfolio. One more thing that I underestimated was all the quantitative easing that we have going on. Even to this day, I didn't think that the central bank would continue to do what they've done, but I mean, you can't outspend the central bank. They print the money, so it's theirs to do what they want with it. But enough of all that stuff that I did fundamentally wrong. Let's get into what cost me this money. So the first company on the list today is Amazon. I had them at a cost basis of $2,403.59. Today they're trading around about $3,140. The market's still open, so the number can change a little bit. So clearly, I missed out on huge capital gains there from $2,400 to $3,100. That's a $700 swing. 2, the company doesn't pay a dividend right now. I can see them easily paying a dividend in the next 5 years. And then 3, this company has also never done a stock split. I can see them doing that within the next 5 years as well, and that would have gave me more flexibility with my equity in the company. Company number 2 on this list is Boeing. I had them at a cost basis of $138.94. Today they're trading at $207. For one, this company has massive contracts with the government. I don't think they will ever hit zero just for that reason alone. But to add on to that as well, they make airplanes. The only other company that I know that makes airplanes is Airbus. So the barrier to entry to get into this industry is huge. There's only 2 companies that I know of that make planes. It's not like liquor stores or barbershops or anything else that has like a low barrier of entry, where something could pop up on the corner one week and be gone the next and be replaced by another of the same type of company. So the third company on this list today is Elf Beauty, and I think this is one of my biggest mistakes. I had them at a cost basis of $12.33. Today they're trading about $24. I think it's my biggest mistake because it's a woman's brand, and women spend the money. Let me drop some numbers on you real quick. In 2019 alone, women worldwide spent $31.8 trillion. Of that, $6.4 trillion was spent by American women. So that means that American women make up about 20% of the spending. And that's not to say that all women need to wear makeup or all women should wear makeup or anything like that. But if they were just able to capture 1% of that 20%, that's $60 billion. And even if they can only capture 1% of the 1%, that's still about $600 million. That would double the revenues from this year, from last year alone, because they're sitting around $300 million. Number 4, this one's not really a stock, it's an ETF, but TQQQ, my cost basis on it is $69.93 today. Today is traded at $190. And if that sounds like a lot of money, that's because it is. So I'm not going to really break down what the ETF is today. I have another video coming for that. But they hold a bunch of different companies. And of course, their top 3 holdings are also on my list. So, joke's on me. Could hit twice. And what I mean by hitting twice is that when I see a capital gain in, whatever the top 3 stocks are, individually, I would see gains there, but I would also see gains in the ETF because the stock went up. So now I would see gains there in the stock, and then I would see gains in the ETF. So finally, we hit number 5. This is a company that I love to death. I'm shooting it with their products right now. It's Apple. My split adjusted cost basis for Apple is $70.18. They're trading today at $130. This is a company I have absolutely full faith in. I spent a lot of money with this company. I got 3 iPhones, 2 pairs of Beats. There's another one, I can't find them. And then 3 iPads. So, and I also have this MacBook that I'm shooting it on. So I spent a lot of money with this company. I love their product. I love what they do. I think Steve Jobs did a fantastic job when he was alive, and I think that Tim Cook is doing an amazing job keeping up where Steve left off. I really have no idea why I really did sell off. Again, I really think that was just like the fear that I had in the market. So this one's just all on me. I own before the split. I own after the split. I own today. So it's a company that I've gone in and out of, and I'm done doing that. I'm in. I'm staying in. This is a 10 to 20 year stretch for me going into this now. So we are at the end of the video, but let me clear something up real quick. I didn't exactly lose $6,000 like the title says. I missed out on the capital appreciation of up to $6,000 and possibly even more, with dividends and everything else. But that's a $6,000 mistake of mine because I feel like someone came and took $6,000 out of my bank account. So I hope this taught you, like it taught me, a very, very expensive lesson. If you're investing in a company that you truthfully believe in, just hold on, just ride it out. A good company is always gonna come back. So I'm gonna close out like I always do. I'm not telling you it's gonna be easy. I'm telling you it's gonna be worth it.